I'm going to create a Gmail account. I'm going to send an email. And before I get a response, I'm going to delete the email and show you what happens. Let me create the account. Let me go through this quickly. I'm going to answer the questions and set up a recovery email just in case I need it. By the way, for normal Gmail, you always got to put a phone number and a recovery email. All of that is used for recovery purposes, and it's critical, not optional. Boom. I have a Gmail account set up for the email address right here under the L. Let me say okay here. For leeburrisjr@gmail.com. I have an email account. It was that easy for me to do. Now, I'm going to send an email. Hang on one second. I'm going to hit send. Boom. There it is right there in my sent. Sent that email to tlburris@teddyburris.com. Now I'm going to delete this account. Hang on with me. Hang with me. Let me show you how to do it. Manage my account. And I think it's under data and privacy. Delete the Google account. And I have to enter my password and hit next. Download my data. I don't need to do it. See, please read carefully. It's not the usual. Get rid of everything. Get rid of my account. All this content will be deleted. 2 conversations in Gmail. 1 contact. I didn't even put a contact in there. It was under other contacts. I acknowledge I'm responsible for any charges incurred. I want to permanently get rid of it. Delete the account. The account's gone. Now I had the ability to recover it. There's a certain amount of time that I have the ability to recover it. It's not a long amount of time. Short amount of time to try to recover it. But I'm not going to. Boom, boom, done. I'm going to close Firefox and go back to my other Gmail. Hang on one second. There's the email I got from Lee Burris Jr. Now the account's been deleted. Now there is a recovery period, but the account has been deleted already. What happens if I reply? Reply. It's going to go to Lee Burris Jr. Gmail. I'm going to hit send. Now, I kind of don't expect, I got a 10-second window here. I kind of don't expect a response back from Google that says the account doesn't exist, but who knows? Maybe it will. I did get a response from Google right here. Address not found. Lee Burris Jr. at Gmail. It happened like that. Within less than a minute, I hit the delete the account, went through the steps, then I went over and sent respond to the email, and I get this response: the account doesn't exist. It's that quick. There still is a recovery period. I think it's a few days at most. But to answer your question, that's what happens when you send an email to an account that you created and then you deleted. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.